Memes here, and welcome back. This video is going to be a quick tech tutorial. I ran into this issue about 2 weeks ago when I was factory defaulting laptops, and I just, with quick searches and trying to figure out it like really quickly, I couldn't find it. So once I figured out the solution, I wanted to document it and now share with you guys. The task was so simple too. I had 60 laptops and I needed to factory default all of them because I'm donating them, and then I ran into this issue and it took about 20 minutes for me to figure it out. But either way, here's a knowledge transfer for you all. If you see this issue or something like it, you now know. I'm gonna flip the screen over so you can see my computer, and let's get started. So to factory reset a Windows laptop, you go into settings, you go to system, recovery, and you hit reset this PC. It will ask you what you want to reset. I want to remove everything, and usually it just starts. The issue I got this time was could not find recovery environment, and it's telling me to get a recovery media, which I don't have. So I'm going to try to figure out what the actual issue is. So first I look at disk manager to see where our recovery partition is. It is right here. It looks healthy, but that really doesn't matter. I just wanted to make sure that we have it. Next thing I'm going to do is open up command prompt. You need elevated rights, so make sure you have admin rights or you have someone who has admin rights. And we're going to enter a couple of commands. So first, I want to look at the recovery environment. So I'm going to enter reagentc info, and we can see that the status currently is disabled. So we're going to want to enable that. It gives more information about the recovery environment. That's really all we needed for this. So the next command that we will put to enable this is reagentc enable, and it should fix this issue. So for some people that I've talked to, this is all they needed to do. It enabled and it worked. For me, I had to take another step because, as you can see, the enable is not working because BitLocker is also enabled. So next thing we need to do is disable BitLocker. So the command to disable BitLocker is manage-bde. We choose the drive, which is the C drive, and we want to turn it off. And as you can see, it has started to decrypt. Now, I like to make sure things are decrypting, not just listen to the command line. So I'm going to go open up BitLocker and just make sure that it is indeed decrypting. This is going to take a minute, so I'm actually going to step away. I will be back when it is finished. Alright, as you can see, recovery environment is enabled. So I forgot to hit record when I came back, but as you can see, BitLocker is now off, and I was able to enter the commands again. So the command that I put again is reagentc info, and you can see the recovery environment is now enabled. All we have to do now is factory default the laptop, finally! So I'm head back to a reset, and this is what it's supposed to look like. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!